In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync data between two Google Sheets automatically. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow and ensure that data is consistently updated across multiple sheets, this tutorial is perfect for you. The process is straightforward and involves just a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening a Google Sheet. You can use an existing one or create a new sheet, whichever suits your needs. Once your Google Sheet is open, we'll be working from here to manage the data syncing process. It's essential to have both sheets readily available that you wish to sync. However, you'll primarily focus on the destination sheet first, where the data will be imported. Let's move to cell A4 in your open Google Sheet. This is where we'll begin importing the data from the other sheet. Click on cell A4 so that it's selected. Now, we're going to type in a formula, specifically the import range function. This function is powerful because it allows you to import a range of cells from another spreadsheet. In the cell, enter the following formula. Import range. http://docs. google.com/spreadsheets. D. Your source spreadsheet. ID. Edit. Record 1. A2C. This formula requires two key pieces of information. The first is the URL of the source spreadsheet, which you need to link to. Remember to replace the link with the actual URL of the spreadsheet you're importing data from. The second part is the range argument, which specifies the exact cells you want to import. In our case, it's record 1 A2C, so modify this if your data range differs. Once you have the formula in place, simply hit the Enter key. At this point, Google Sheets may prompt you to grant access. If so, click Allow Access in the pop-up that appears. This is crucial because the function needs permission to access the data in the specified sheet. Now we're going to move over to cell E4. Again, select cell E4, as this is where you'll be importing additional data, perhaps from another section or another sheet. Enter yet another import range formula in this cell. It should look like this. X import range, https://docs, google.com, spreadsheets, DID, your second source spreadsheet ID, edit, record 2.A2C. Just like before, ensure that you've inserted the correct URL and specified the precise range you want to import. Once you've entered this formula, press the Enter key again. Chances are you might need to grant access once more for this particular link. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now set up to automatically sync data from the specified ranges in the source spreadsheets. Remember, any updates made in the original sheets will automatically reflect in this destination sheet. This not only saves time, but also enhances data accuracy across your documents. So, whether you're managing a project, co-sharing a file for study purposes, or simply want to keep tabs on real-time updates, this method is efficient and precise. Happy syncing!